Problem? Okay. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to cut a nail in a diabetic patient. The reason is the nail in a diabetic patient is who is suffering from a diabetic foot over years. They become thickened, they may have fungal infections. You know, if you do not cut the nail appropriately, they form the source of injury and possible gangrene and subsequent infection. You cannot use a regular nail cutter for it. All you need to use is a bone cutter. They come in various size and shape, and this is just to demonstrate you two different. How to demonstrate good and bad quality? You should always have a recoiling effect of a bone cutter compared to this patient where it is hard, there is no recoiling effect. This is of a poor quality. This is fantastic. See in this lady who is having toenails. The nails have been inappropriately cut. If you have seen the fourth nail, I have isolated it. There is a fantastic spicule which should not have been there. If you see this nail, third nail, it has been inappropriately cut. If you see the shape, it is not good and there is ingrowing section on this. If you see the second, definitely it is quite thickened compared to the other side. And if you have seen the first one, it's fairly okay. Whenever you want to cut the nail of the toe, isolate the nail, because if you're going to cut like this, the nail, there's high chances that when there's an injury to the other nail from the tip of the bone nibbler. So imagine I want to cut the nail of this patient. Okay, now this patient I'll isolate from the remaining nail, identify the segment of the nail I'm going to cut. Always identify the segment in 4 or 5. Don't cut in a single sitting. You always need to identify. Try to wet the nails. They become soft. In this case, it is not wet. Isolate the segment of the vein you're going to cut, like how of the nail you're going to cut. Like example in this, and this is how it's cut. If you have seen, I've removed the spicule. Again, always ensure that when you're cutting the nail, you don't have spicules at these edges. It's quite essential, and you have a convexity in this area. Now come with the second toenail. If you see carefully, very thickened. You cannot cut this with a regular nail cutter. You have to cut with this. Okay, you see how difficult it's going to be while cutting. It's really hard. You need to soak it. It's not cutting easily. You saw? I had to use 2 hands to divide it. See once more. There is a spicule at this edge. I'm going to isolate it and going to remove that spicule. Okay, it looks into a better shape. Now look at this toenail. This is a spicule. It's going to grow inside the pulp if you don't remove it. So I isolate it, small segment, and cut it. Yeah, cut it.